Hey guys, Eric and John with Five Stone. So this is the second video in the series for range safety and field care. We actually shot this video out on the range, but then some crazy wind come in and just like messed up the audio. So we apologize for that. We had to come in the studio to reshoot this one. So go back, watch that first video, kind of give you an overview of what's to come. The next video that's going to be released is actually going through different medical items that we use, that we recommend that you have on you, and even some kind of a really quick overview how to use these items. Okay, just things to consider. By all means, if you're going to get this equipment, study up on it. We'll give some more detailed videos on how to use them too. So, all right, let's get into it, man. So, different types of kits. What do you think?
Start out with the IFAK probably. This is something I carry. It's my individual first aid kit. I keep it strapped to the headrest of my passenger side of my car. That way, you come up on a wreck or something traveling, or you getting some sort of scuffle at your car, it's right there handy. Okay, and it's really simple, really small 511 pack. Got a pair of scissors on it. All you do is tear it open like this. I've got Israeli bandages, tourniquets, and we'll go over different tourniquets later.
Yep.
And it's some basic bandaging. Just really keep it simple,
Yeah. So that's more of a small pack. We've even got some smaller packs would even fit inside like a cargo pocket under your pants. A lot of law enforcement, we've had some requests for law enforcement to design a pack that they can actually fit in their cargo pocket. So we're going to work on that coming out here soon. Stepping up a level, I guess you could say, this is a little bit bigger. This is one that I carry on my plate carrier. It is kind of big, kind of bulky, but I designed this to be able to do for multiple patients. So say there was an active shooter, whatever it might be, mass casualty thing, this is kind of more for that. And you think, how can this one little pack be designed for mass casualty? Well, it's actually got quite a bit in it. So got a tourniquet on the front here, which next video we kind of go into use on those. Open it up and you can see like everything's secure, nothing falls out. We've got things from airway supplies to splints, Israeli bandages, mylar blankets to help keep them warm if they go into shock, help retain body heat, quick clot gauze, glow sticks, chest seals, gauze wraps, all that. It's a little bit more in depth, a little bit more material, so it's not something it's easy to pack, but I actually take this with me, like you said, every single day. It's in whatever vehicle I'm in, I've got this with me at all times, so that way I've got something. And I've actually had to use it going in the road, come up on a wreck or whatever, and I've had to use it. So it's not heavy, it's a little bulky, but it serves a purpose. And then you step up to...
Yeah, this is another 511 bag I've got. This was actually bought for like a SWAT team for active shooters, stuff like that. As you can see, you can wear it as a backpack if you need it. You pull it right in front of you, and everything's accessible. Come with full zippers, and it folds open. Okay,
that's pretty awesome.
Yeah,
I like how it's got all those straps to retain it all.
Yeah,
cool.
It's very handy. So when you open it up to use it, nothing falls out, and anybody in front of you use it, you can see it. And it's easy accessible. I keep all several pairs of gloves in here. A lot of bandaging, sling capabilities, tourniquets, Israeli bandages in here as well. I've got some SAM splints, which we'll talk about. And some IV supplies. Yeah. So this is basically set up now, as basically a first in bag on an ambulance. It was initially set up for the active aggressor stuff. It was pretty much just packed full of tourniquets and Israeli bandages where you can just pass them out, if you work in a school shooting or whatever. So yeah, very handy bag.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. So on these upcoming videos, guys, we're going to go through these packs in a little more detail and show you some how-tos on the specific equipment, okay? Coming up here soon, we're going to have a pretty kind of a hot topic discussion that I really want you guys to check out. It's going to be on what is tactical medicine, the myths behind what it is, the importance that it gets established, why it's needed, and the issues that we've run into trying to get it established and ways to overcome those issues. It's super important for you guys' community, for the safety of our youth, for the safety of the public in general, and what, as communities, what we can do to help get prepared. So that's why we do this, and that's why we're here. Check out the next videos in the series because they're back out at the range, and we go into some more how-to and detailed use. All right? Thank you guys for checking us out, and we are out.